In this video, we are going to add and take away algebraic fractions which have brackets or will have more than two terms on one of the numerator or the denominator. So x plus 2 over 3 plus 3x minus 1 over 2. Now, as like before, I still need to get a common denominator. Now, the common denominator of 3 and 2 is 6. Okay, so this one's 6. So for the first one, to get a common denominator of 3 on the bottom, I have to multiply everything by 2. Okay, so that means I'm going to multiply the numerator by 2. So I'm going to get 2, and then I put it in brackets, x plus 2. For the second one, to get 6 on the bottom, I need to multiply by 3. So I'm going to put a 3 here, and then everything else in the numerator in a bracket. Okay. Now that I've got common denominators, I can write it over one denominator. There we go. And now I'm going to expand out these brackets. So I've got 2x plus 4 plus 9x minus 3 all over 6. And then again I can... Now I can simplify the top. I've got 2x plus 9x is 11x. 4 take away 3 is 1. And that's it. I don't make any other changes to that. So let's do the same for this other one. Now, the lowest common denominator between x minus 2 and 2x plus 2 is them times together. Okay, so what you're going to have here is you're going to have in brackets x minus 2, 2x plus 2, and then x minus 2, 2x plus 2. So what do I need to do? To get that on the bottom, I'd have to times this one top and bottom by 2x plus 2, and this one by x minus 2. So we're going to get 5 multiplied by 2x plus 2, and then 4 multiplied by x minus 2. So now I can write it over a common denominator, which is good. That's one less thing for me to write out. 2x plus 2. And on the top, we can get 5, 2x plus 2, minus 4x minus 2. Give myself a bit of space. Expand the top bracket line. 10x plus 10 minus 4x, and watch, we've got minus 4 and a minus 2, so it's going to be plus 8 all over these two brackets. Takes ages to write out, doesn't it? Right? And let's shift it up once more. Now, simplify the top. I've got 10x minus 4x is 6x. 10 plus 8 is 18. And I would probably leave it like that.